Since mortgage rates have come down compared to their high earlier this year, expectations are that more buyers will be restarting their home search. It's Friday, December 19th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. This graph shows nationwide home buyer activity is hovering at the highest level so far this year across the nation. There's a renewed sense of energy in the market going into 2026, boding well for both buyers and sellers. Buyer demand across the Baltimore metro region is uneven, with suburban counties continuing to outperform the urban areas. Howard County remains the strongest county with buyer activity up, while surrounding counties such as Hartford, Baltimore, and Anne Arundel appear slower. Carroll County and Baltimore City remain the slowest areas for the Baltimore metro region. Prince George's, Montgomery, and Frederick counties are slow in the Washington, D.C. metro market. The southern region sees Charles County activity steady, but St. Mary's and Calvert counties are limited. The mountain region shows Washington County with high buyer activity, but Allegheny is slow and Garrett County is limited. Fewer new listings hit the market this report at 1,319 and a median list price of $384,990. Coming soon properties also dropped again this report to 679 coming soon and at a median $449,000. New contracts fell again this week to 1,096 at a median list price of $409,450. And days before contract hit 34 days. 1,216 units sold in 23 days at 98.4% list to sold ratio at a $440,000 median sold price. There are 4,013 units available for lease at $2,500 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, December 19th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.